What's up YouTube, this is JB, back with another Mustang video, a long awaited video, a video that y'all been asking me for. It was an update video, and guess what's back? Yeah, my baby's back, so let's get this video started. Alright, so I just got the Mustang back. I meant to do a video again, like last time I said, I meant to do one, picking it up from the shop, loading it up, but things didn't all go as planned, timing, stuff like that, so I didn't get to do that video. But now it's here, so now we could do this walk around video. So let's go ahead and get started. So y'all know I went in the shop to get my rear suspension done. So that is my 9-inch rear end, custom by Quick Performance, narrowed 2 inches on each side, and then TCI torque on rear suspension. Came with the Ride Tech shocks, and again we didn't have them put on the brakes, the actual calipers and things, because as y'all know I had the whole issue with the tires, and I did finally get that tire that they needed to send me. So next will be getting the tires put on those wheels, and then I could go ahead and put that on the car. But here's a torque on rear suspension under the car, and then I also got the Detroit Speed mini tub done. So, got that done. I will have to get my seats narrowed in the back because I'm not going to do a rear seat delete. So, whatever shop I go to, they'll have to customize my back seat. But, mini tub's done. Got my I Did It steering column in. And my wheelwood brake and clutch pedal assembly all done up. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but it's a bracket and you can see the back of the plate that it goes to. So here's how they did that plate. And then, of course, my TCI front suspension. So, as y'all did know, oh, then some stuff y'all can't see, I did do some frame stiffeners. Maybe y'all can see it from right here. Yeah, so did add some frame stiffeners. And the brakes that will be going in the front is the 14-inch 6-piston wheelwood calipers in the front, 4-piston in the rear. And then that's the car. So that's what I've done so far. Got that stuff in, and as you see, I don't have the steering wheel on. I had to get another adapter because the adapter I got was wrong, and then also had to order another horn button, so that is coming tomorrow. Then I could do that. And next thing will be getting a wire wheel and get to work underneath the car, like in the trunk, underneath the wheel wells, and what else? Of course, like I said, put the tires on and start choosing a paint shop. I mean, that's an important thing. Oh, but wait, first, before I even do that, I need to get my engine ordered and transmission. So then I can test fit the transmission so I can get the tunnel put in. So I want to go ahead and test fit everything first before I go ahead and put that in, weld that up. So I need to do a test fit first. Then after that is finding the paint shop to get this thing painted. So that's the car. I hope y'all like what y'all saw so far. I mean, I still got a lot of stuff to do, but I got a lot of stuff done. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so y'all know when I post up a new video. And until next time, and comment below anything else y'all want to see, any questions you have. I can try to help out with anything I can. But until next time, all right, peace.